In order for me to build my business, I have to have a routine after work. And for today, I'm going to show you exactly the prompts I use, the tools I use, and what I do after work to help me build my business. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaShondra, and on this channel, I talk about things in regards to business, how to start a business while keeping your 9 to 5, because I'm doing the same. So I figured why not share what I'm doing, my experiences, so I can help someone else. So if that's of interest to you, or if you're doing that as well, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can find out when I post new videos, because I will be giving out tips, things I have learned, but yeah, stay with me. So like many of you, I work a full-time job, 40 hours a week. I never do any overtime. I stopped doing that because I'm like, yeah, I'm in wage slavery. I'm not trying to be here. So I don't do any of that. But each day after I get off work, I have a routine. Like I have my dinner, I fix dinner for my dog, and then I proceed to at least for an hour, sometimes 2, 3 hours, depending on what I have to do. I work on my business. And I'm able to do that with different AI tools that are now available. So for this video, I want to kind of walk you through. We're going to do like a screen recording so you can see my screen, see what tools I use, because I know if they're helping me, they can definitely help you. So that's what we're going to talk about for this video. The one thing that works for me when it comes to content, I know me as well as many other business owners, that's what we struggle with. What I do is I generally film when it comes to my YouTube videos. I film those in bulk. So I do 4 videos once every like month, or no, 4 videos. That's 4 weeks of videos because I try to post once a week. So yeah, once a month, I shoot 4 videos. And that helps. Like I outline the scripts, whatever type of B-roll I'm going to use, and that works. Now, for the longest, I used Filmora, and I still do use Filmora, but I discovered Gling AI, and Gling is amazing. What it does is it takes my raw video and then it fixes like any ums or any dead silence. It edits the video, puts the jump cuts in, so I don't have to do that, because that was one of the things I hated, editing myself, and I really didn't have the money to spare to kind of get someone else to do it for me. So I would always spend the bulk of the time editing my videos, and that took a while. So I figured I tried Gling with like 2 videos and it worked. So I just upgraded to the $20 a month plan, and I love it. If you have not checked out Gling, you definitely should. And if I can remember, I'll put a link in the description box so you can check it out. But it has saved me so much time. So now, like while I'm fixing my dinner, I can edit my raw video, just upload it to Gling. It will edit it. Then I'll go through, I'll proofread it, make any tweaks to it, and then I can easily put it in Filmora and then do my B-roll. When I mean that is a blessing, that will allow me now to at least put out a video every week. Now, granted, I may slack because, life be lifing. But for the most part, I'm very excited and very pleased that now I have a system to stay on track and put out videos every week. Also, what I like is I have been using Opus Clips for like maybe year and a half, 2 years maybe. But what that does is Opus Clips can take, once I edit my video and put the B-roll. Oh no, actually that's not what I do. I switched it up. So now once Gling edits the video for me, then I take that and I upload it to Opus Clip to get my clips that I will use for social media. That is worth every penny, because I can get like over 20 clips from one YouTube video, and that helps me to stay consistent. And within Opus Clip, you can put in B-roll. It changes it to the aspect ratio for social media. You can add music. If some of you follow me on my social media, or even on YouTube, you've probably seen it. Like in the corner, I can put like my little subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is a great tool. So what it will do is it will allow you to be on different platforms and to put your content out there. and it doesn't require like a lot of work because I think that's where I struggle with because man, I would be so tired, like spending 3 hours to edit a video. Then I got to make the clips to put to social media. That was too much work. I definitely would check out Opus Clips as well because that can take your video, your edited long form video, clip it up into short clips, and then you can say stay consistent on social media. And that's what I do. So from one video, I will have at least enough social media content to post at least one day or at least once a day every single day for a whole month. It's a combination of Glean AI editing and Opus Clip giving me my shorts. So like if I can remember, I'll put a link in the description box to both so you can start using them as well because it definitely will help.
Are you a service provider or small business owner losing leads because everything is still manual? People ask questions. They fill out random forms. They message you in different places. Then somehow, the serious leads slip through the cracks. That is where Digital Support Studio comes in. I help service providers and small business owners build simple AI-powered systems that capture leads, organize client information, improve intake, and reduce the repetitive work that keeps you stuck in your inbox. This is not about adding more complicated software to your business. It is about creating a smoother process so your leads know what to do next, your clients have a better experience, and you are not answering the same questions over and over again. Whether you need a simple lead capture tool, a client intake system, an assessment form, or a more customized AI workflow, I can help you build a system that actually supports your business. Because you cannot grow from chaos. You grow with systems. Click below to learn more about Digital Support Studio AI systems and see which build is right for your business.
So I get this question a lot. How long does it take you to film the content, edit it, put it to social media, things like that? So on a daily basis, just posting to my different social media, that takes me maybe about an hour. It's getting less because before I was trying to build my offer, so I had to like divide my time up, but I would say less than an hour, probably less than 30 minutes, honestly, because I'm posting to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And then that's every single day, 4 platforms. And then I have my LinkedIn that I post to at least twice a week. And I only do text on LinkedIn since I discovered that's what works best for LinkedIn. So just the initial posting, probably I would say less than 30 minutes because I've already created the content before. Glean has helped me to edit it. And then I take that and put it into Opus Clips, and that gives me the short clips. And then you can do captions, music, and B-roll all in Opus Clips. So it's ready to go. And then for my actual caption of when I post the content, I use Claude and then I will use ChatGPT to help me to do that. Now, when you post your captions, I use a specific prompt. My best advice to you would be, of course, you can research because there are plenty of tools, plenty of videos online about how to prompt. But what I do is I save things for the captions that I'm going to use when I post. I say things like, act like my social media manager, help me to create a caption that will generate engagement, give me a hook, give me the body, and give me the CTA. Or I will say, give me a hook, give me a story, and give me a CTA, and make the language of the caption relatable to my audience. And then I will put that into ChatGPT or Claude. And I will also ask it to give me 5 relevant hashtags for the caption. And it will easily spit that out for me. Very easy. I just have to, the number one thing I will tell you with prompts, what you put into it, you will get out of it. So if you give it junk, it's going to give you junk. Try to be as specific as possible so it makes the caption in your voice, who your audience is, who you are speaking to. You definitely want to do that. Now, when I shoot my YouTube videos, like I said, I do them in bulk. So I do 4 videos in one day. And that comes to preparation beforehand. Like I have my outline. I will sometimes print it out or I'll use my phone just so I have my outline of my talk points because I don't want to be like in a YouTube video rambling. So I do an outline. And then the night before, I read what I'm going to say. So when I get up the next morning to shoot, it is familiar to me and I can pretty much just go straight into it. That's what I do that works for me. As far as the time to shoot the actual video, I would say probably about I try to do raw footage of at least like 15, 20 minutes or so. So there's a lot to work with, and at least my videos get over 8 minutes. So by the time Glean edits it, there's enough there. So it's over 8 minutes, and I'm keeping up because my channel is monetized. So about 15 minutes to shoot each video. But like I said, I have a lot of prep work. Like right now, I have a studio space kinda that is in my workspace where I work my regular job. So it works. And then I have my lights, but everything I keep set up. So that kind of cuts down on the time because before I had to put it all up and it was just time consuming. I would get frustrated, but I don't do that anymore. And then for my camera settings, I make sure my camera is set. So when I come into my space to shoot, I'm ready to go. Actual time, it takes me 15 minutes for each video. I shoot 4 videos. I go and make sure that they look good. I upload them to my hard drive. That takes me like 10, 15 minutes. And then that's my break time. I play with my dog and I eat, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how long it takes me time frame when I'm doing YouTube videos. So that's pretty much how I am staying consistent and what I'm doing right now as far as getting off work, shooting bulk content to get my message out there about my offer and to reach my ideal audience. And I want to encourage you, like, I know you get tired. I get tired because the job that I do, like, drains me to say the least of what it does. But once you set in your mind, and I'm going to encourage you to do this, make a choice, make a decision. Some of these jobs, I've said it before, are wage slavery. We need to have another plan in place because these jobs are not guaranteed. So I want to encourage you, even if you just start with 30 minutes and you work your way up to a longer time frame each day, do that. And remember, preparation is key because once you do it consistently for 30 days, it will be like normal to you. So I want to encourage you. But in saying that, thank you so much for watching this video. And please be sure to comment below. What did you take out of this video that you're going to start implementing into your plan to bring your offer out, stay consistent so your ideal audience can find you and you can start making money in your business? Comment below any of my tips that resonated with you because I want to know about it and I want to support you. And then also, if you are struggling, we talked about my Align content idea generator. Look at that. That will help you. I use that. I created it. I use it and I had to create something to help me with my content because I wasn't reaching the right audience. So the link will be in the description box. Please be sure to check out my Align idea content generator because that will definitely help you to get your thoughts out, get your ideas out, things like that. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also share this information with anybody who you think can benefit from it. I would definitely appreciate it. Hit the bell for notifications because like I said, I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to get my message and resonate with my people, my women business owners. We are powerful. We are amazing. And we can do so much. So I want to connect with you. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.